Hi all, it's JV here from InfoHut with another very common question I get as a repairer, and that most common question is when your iPhone is only working on speaker for when it's on calls and you can't hear anything through the ear speaker. So I'll just clarify that. The ear speaker is the one that we put to the ear, and the loudspeaker is that one that obviously is the only one that's working. So let's get started so we can go through a few different things and hopefully work our way to a solution with you. Okay, first up, this is not limited to any specific model iPhone. This happens to every model and it is a very common problem. So rest assured that the good news is that that can be fixed on most occasions. And the thing is that most of the time it's not really something that you can fix while you're at home. You have to take it into a repairer, but I'll explain what the situation is. So there's two types of issues that I'll always see, which is one, it's really soft. So you can even put the volume right up and it's still very, very soft, as in, you know, you still can't hardly hear it. And the second is you can't hear anything at all. So the one that when it's usually very faint or soft, that sometimes can be fixed by you, where the actual front grille here could have a little bit of dirt. So what I recommend doing is just lightly getting a toothpick and just slowly going over that grille and seeing if you can clean any dirt. Now, on some occasions, you know, it will actually fix it, but it's not always a guaranteed fix. It can sometimes be the speaker on the inside, which leads me to the next part, which is the most common issue. So the most common issue is the actual ear speaker. So the ear speaker has failed for whatever reason, and it could be even just a fault. It can be totally unrelated to any type of damage. So what you need to do is obviously then take it to a repairer and see if it can be fixed and what the cost is. Now, most importantly, I can't stress this enough, is that if you have a phone that's still under warranty through Apple, there's a very good chance that Apple will fix this problem under warranty. Whichever way they choose is up to them. They could replace your phone, fix the phone, I'm not too sure. But if it's under warranty, do not take it to any third-party repairer. That will void your warranty. So a lot of people think that they can take their phone anywhere, but no. If another person that's a third-party repairer opens a phone, it will void the warranty, and then you won't be able to ever take it to Apple. So in most situations, if it is out of warranty and you want to just take it to a local repairer, it will be the ear speaker, and it's a little tiny, say 1 by 1 half an inch size little speaker that a repairer will just pull out, obviously put a new one back in, and then everything should be fine and it'll be really crystal clear. Now, on the rare occasion, and when I say rare occasion, I mean 1 out of 100 that I'll see, it can be a thing called an audio IC type error, where the actual logic board or the main motherboard has some type of issue. But generally with those issues, you will see something, say like both loud and ear speaker not working. You'll never see one or the other, but it sometimes can occur. So I'm just giving you a heads up on the worst case situation. Now, the bad news with this is, unfortunately, in most cases, you can't fix it from home. You can do the usual stuff like reset your phone, stuff like that. It won't do much in most cases that I have seen. It's very rare. And for those that actually have a real soft speaker, ear speaker, cleaning it does work a lot, but not all the time. So that's about it. Hopefully I've helped there. And by all means, please like, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or any situations that have come up with your phone in particular, drop a comment below, because I always try to actually reply to every comment. Thank you very much. Bye for now.